Hi everyone, welcome to Rusalka Soap Studio. I am so happy you've joined me today. I am showing you how I've made my Smell the Rainbow handmade soap. The soap was inspired by the spring, and here in Paul we have a winter rainy season. So now when the spring is fast approaching, we're having the last little bit of winter rain, and of course when the sun shines and the rain falls, we get quite a few of rainbows lately. As you can see, I wasn't super original in naming this soap, but when the name is so good, I just go along with it. So the fragrance note states that it smells like Skittle, and let me tell you, yes, it smells fruity and just like Skittles. So of course I had to go with bright fluorescent colors and neons and have white background with wisps of tiny little bit of droplets of color. To make the rainbow embeds, I individually rolled each snake of each color and then assembled them in a color combination that I thought will represent my rainbows. The process wasn't the easiest one, but quite a fun one, and they really enjoyed rolling each and every single rainbow individually. It sort of made me feel like a fairy godmother, but just don't laugh at me. So that's it. It is what it is. And I wasn't so sure about this music selection right now, but I think it's nice and playful, reflecting the rainbows. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think? And voila, my rainbows are ready to go on top of the soap. To decorate this soap and place the rainbows, first I wanted to create nice fluffy soap icing clouds. And here comes my colorful rainbows. Oh, look at this soap! White soap, colorful wisps and fluffy clouds, rainbows on top. I think it is just perfect. So here it is, my interpretation of Smell the Rainbow soap. I am very pleased with the results, and thank you so much for joining me today. Ask me anything in the questions regarding the soap or soaping in general. I'll answer them all, and I see you next time. Bye for now.